Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you that which Dell laptop we should buy around 60,000 rupees, because Dell has a very confusing lineup right now, I would say. Okay, so let's first open the Dell's website. Okay, when you open the Dell's website, you will find products, laptops for home and for business. Okay, so we'll open both in different tabs. Okay, and we'll see what options we have. Okay, first in the business series we have the Vostro laptops, and I today want to talk about these two laptops, these two, Vostro 5410 and Vostro 5415. Okay, so let's one by one open both the in different links. Okay, so what's the exact difference between these two devices? Because these two are very similarly priced, and the only difference that you will notice is the AMD Ryzen processors in this, and over here it's not mentioned, but we'll open the tab and we'll get to know what processor it has. So no thanks. Okay, so we are here, Dell Vostro 5410, and as we can see we got four options, and we'll see the budget option. The minimum option is 58,198, and it has got the Intel 11 Gen 11300H processor. Okay, and 8 gigs of RAM and all the basics. Very right. Good display, and you can see a very good battery, 4 cell 54 watt hour battery. Okay, so what we need to notice over here is that this series of processor is a gaming processor. Okay, and this is a thin and light laptop. I had brought the earlier version of Dell Vostro. Okay, so that's why from my experience I'm telling that this processor is really powerful, and I don't think the laptop thermals will be able to handle the processing power it has. Okay, now let's go to the another 5415 that we opened over here, and over here it is not showing the price. It's asking you to contact to Dell. Yeah, contact Dell. Over here we can see the options that we can customize this laptop according to us, and here the most favorable option for us is AMD Ryzen. For most people, actually, I will say AMD Ryzen 5 5500U. And why? I think the pricing will be around 55,000. I am not confirmed, but I think the pricing will be around 58,000 only, similar to this device, Intel one. So basically, this processor is mainly built for thin and light laptops only, and the thing between these two processors is there is something called TDP in the processors, that's thermal unit or something like that. Okay, this processor uses maximum TDP of 35 watt, and this has a configurable around 10 to 25 watt. So basically that means that how much power your device takes. So basically this takes a lot of power to reach its clock speed. The highest clock speed it has set 4.4 gigahertz. Basically the highest clock speed depends on your laptop thermals, and as we know this laptop is a thin and light design. Basically the laptop I'm using, it has exactly the same chassis, so that's why I can say it's 1.44 kg. It's very slim, and this processor is a gaming processor. So I don't know why Dell has put this, because I don't think so the laptop thermals will be able to sustain the very high performance of this processor. So the best deal I would say in this Vostro series is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U of the Dell Vostro 5415. What I mean by thermals is the fan inside this laptop. The fan inside this laptop is not very powerful, I said, so it can considerably get heat. So we should choose a processor that's best suitable for this fan. The design is really good, the design is very slim. So to basically enjoy the whole experience, we need to have a good thermal system, good fan system that can dissipate heat very efficiently. So from my suggestion, in the Vostro series we should go with the AMD lineup. And if you need more powerful AMD, you can go. And in terms of performance, if you say, I think the AMD performance will be better than Intel ones due to the sustainability of the clock speed, I think so. But for basic tasks, but for home basic word browsing and everything, this is more than sufficient. Now Dell has another lineup similar chassis laptop in the Dell Home series, Inspiron series basically. So let's see what do we have. Let's also compare and understand that should we go for it or should we stick to the Vostro one. Let's go to explore and let's see what do we have. This fancy design. So this one, I want to talk about this one. This also has a literally similar chassis. I couldn't find much difference out of these three laptops. In this you will see it has the 11th gen i5-1135G7 and its price similar 57,989 and to the other Vostro things. So if I compare this and the AMD thing or the Intel thing, you will see in the features and design it says a redesigned thermal system with power of your choice while dual heat pipes. Basically the thermal system in the AMD version, basically in the Vostro version, is better than the Inspiron version. The processor in this is really good. i5-1135G7 is good, but ultimately the thermal system in this is good. And another thing to notice is that over here we have the option of Wi-Fi 6 and in this we get an old Wi-Fi, I guess, Wi-Fi 5 I think so. Just a sec, let's check. Yeah, it's basically similar to Wi-Fi 5 and in this we get a Wi-Fi 6 option. So I think we should go for this AMD, or if you want to go for Intel then you can go for this one, but I won't suggest this 00H processor because it's really powerful. It's a gaming processor and we are buying a thin and light laptop which would run cool, which would run good. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This was my suggestion. If you have any comments, I would be happy to answer them. I just forgot to mention about the battery thing. In these three laptops we get to see 4 cell 53 watt hour in the Inspiron, and in the Vostro 5415 we have a 4 cell 54 watt hour, a bit bigger battery, and similar battery in this. I think according to the processor specifications, the best battery life, AMD should offer the best battery life. AMD Ryzen 5 5500U should offer the best battery life because it takes very less power from the CPU. And in second, if I say secondly, then Inspiron 14 will perform for the battery secondly, and the least battery backup will have the Intel 11300H processor option.